These are my Zudico bolt cutters. So my primary use for these are to actually help cut my filler metal for when I'm TIG welding. It's a lot easier if you can cut your filler metal into smaller pieces, especially if you're on a smaller joint and you have to get into certain places. That way you don't have a filler rod that's basically sitting over the top of your shoulder. This has a really nice grip on it, so some of those other bolt cutters out there, you don't have a good grip on there and it'll slip out of your hand when you're using it. And it's got this nice little locking mechanism on the bottom. You can go ahead and just slide over the handle to stop it from opening up when it's not in use. So just for quick demonstration purposes, this is my wife's bobby pin. Nice and easy. Look at that. So when you're in a jam and you got to be able to cut your filler metal in half when you're welding, these are their go-to. I personally don't like using whelpers whenever I cut my filler metal because you have to like really force it to cut. At these, it's a nice smooth motion, just a nice snip, and it's ready to go.